Hi. Welcome to JSJoshua YouTube channel and Facebook page. My name is Joshua. In this video, I would like to share with you Funnels Builder Tips. Provide good values to your dream 100 customers. A funnel is a process of bringing someone, a prospect, lead, from a complete stranger whom you do not know of, into a loyal, long-term customer. The key to productive sales through your funnel is to provide good values to your potential customers, leads, to build credibility and trust that they feel comfortable and secure to buy from your offers through the funnel. People always buy products or services based on trust and relationships. Just ask ourselves this question. Would you buy a product or service based on the recommendation of a total stranger whom you do not know of? Or you rather buy through somebody you can trust? Many people tend to make mistakes by keep posting their products and offers on Facebook, blasting their products and offers through SMS, WhatsApp, etc., unknowingly shielding their potential customers away from them. Why? Well, people may love to or want to buy. But nobody will ever like to be pushed to buy, forced to buy, or being continuously bombarded by your products and offers to buy. Never spam people by continuously pushing them to buy. Always provide them with good values first to build trust, credibility and relationship. Thus, by providing value through giving your potential customers an e-book, guiding them on how to solve their problem or pain, a video coaching session showing them steps they desire to learn on building their business for success, or a webinar showing them the secrets and tips to generate traffic for profits, etc., will help warm them up, moving them from cold audience into your warm audience. Here, they get to know who you are and draw good values from you. They started to open up to your offers through your sales funnel. Now, they are more familiar with you and your brand and begin to trust you. Thus, buying from what you have to offer become easy because they know who you are. As I have shared earlier, people will always buy products or services based on trust and relationships. With the trust being built up between you and the potential customers, you can now offer them high-value products or services that they are looking for to solve their problems, and chances are they will buy from you. Tips. Leading potential customers with value. Always provide value to help your potential customers first. Then only you ask for something. That's it for this video. We tend to hope you learned a few tips through this JSJoshua YouTube channel video. May God bless you with good health, prosperity, wealth and great success all the days of your life. Take care. Do remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to JSJoshua YouTube channel and like and follow JSJoshua Facebook page for future updates. Thanks for watching.